Hey folks, hey everybody. So just wanted to share with you one of the services that we provide, which is ship the shipping box. So if anyone wants to have a shipping box sent to them so that they can put their HomePod in and ship it back to us, we provide the service as an add-on. If you opt to do that, it's for $15, and this is from one of our customers. It is actually two boxes attached to each other. This whole thing was $15 for them. And we ship two boxes. It comes with these QR codes that points you to the website with the instructions and everything. And we put the return label in these boxes, or in one of the boxes. If it is just one box, obviously it's going to be in there. And then you can then put your HomePod in. And stick your prepaid label that comes from the box, that's in the box for your return, for your shipping to us. Stick it right on the other one, or if you want to remove the other one, you can do that too. But if you don't want to, you stick it back on and ship it back to us. And that's available if anybody wants it as well. It comes with these original boxes. These are actually original HomePod boxes. And it comes with the instructions. So if you want to do it, feel free to just visit our website and put it on order. Thank you.